This is a balisong knife, and you guys may even know it as a butterfly knife. And today I'm gonna see how long does it take to learn a trick using this knife. Welcome back to another episode of July Day, and today I'm gonna be learning tricks. I'm not gonna be doing anything. I kind of only know one or two tricks with this one. It's the most basic stuff, like the basic opening and the basic closing. Like do this, so it's open, and then do this, it's closed. Did you click the subscribe button? Click the subscribe button. It's not sharp. If I were using a sharp knife, I would have cut my finger off all of them, but it's not sharp, yeah. And apart from those two, I also know another trick, which is doing this. I'm not that good with this, but I kind of like, I haven't practiced this one that much. Yeah, see? Oof. Oh my god, I scratched my monitor. Okay, whatever, back to the video.
We're going to start in a standard grip, but we can hold either the bind handle or the safe handle. It doesn't really matter. What's important is that you're holding it about an inch away from the pivot so that you have the perfect amount of control. So starting from the standard grip, we're first going to take the bally and we're going to tilt it backwards so that the tang area, the top here, is pointed towards me. Swing out the other handle just like so, having the bally nice and parallel to the ground. And ideally, you want to have the other handle contact your index finger in between your distal and your proximal interphalangeal. That's basically
Wait, that's some biology. I don't understand biology, bro.
your first and your second knuckle. That's really the optimal zone for where you want the rollover to happen. So practice is first, just having this handle come out and kind of hit your finger.
Okay, I need to like practice the handle coming out and parallel to the ground and hitting in between those two joints, yeah? The more I do this, my finger just comes close to the top and it becomes way too close to it. That's a problem. I'm kind of scared to like try different stuff because I'm close to myself. I'm afraid I'm gonna break my monitor again. I've already scratched it once. Okay. That's how, yep.
A few moments later.
Finger right around there. You can go as low as this knuckle here and as high as the distal up here, but you don't want to go out of that zone, otherwise it'll be really difficult to control. You're going to have to release it for just a split second.
I'm scared to release it.
Swing this out. It's going to contact the back of your index finger here. Then you're going to let go of your thumb for a split second, and you want to stick up your index finger. That's why it's called index rollover. And it's going to fly around your index finger just like so. And the moment this bind handle flies around, you want to be able to scoot your thumb underneath and pinch it just like so on the top and bottom between your thumb and your index finger. And the momentum will carry it around and it'll come to close just like so.
Like take the balisong grip and then like on the parallel to the ground, open it towards my face, and then I've got to like release it as soon as it comes here, so that I'm gonna put my other fingers down, and when it comes here, I'm gonna pinch it, and then it's gonna just close. Seems easy. I'm scared to let go of my finger, dude. If it were a real like knife, then my middle finger would have been just. Oh. You know how to do something you can't do? You practice. I'm gonna practice this code. Ouch. It's not sharp, but it still hurts. I'm doing it vertically. You don't have to do it vertically. You need to do it parallel to the ground. Whoa. Whoa. Perfect height. 1 inch from the pivot. Perfect grip. It's gonna like do it. Keep the head on my side and then just parallel to the ground. And then. Oh. The problem is that my fingers just keep going up. It just keeps going up. Why going up, man? That was pretty smooth. Oh. Oh, I guess I understood the like sequence technique. The easiest way to do it is to like do it parallel to the ground. I've been doing it vertically. That's why it's been flying off. If you do it parallel, alright. If you do it parallel to the ground, then it's gonna like stay. It's not gonna fall, go up and down or something. Just if I can like make it 5 times in a row, then I'm gonna think that yeah, I've learned it. Like obviously I'm not gonna master it on one night, but yeah, if I can do it 5 times in a row, then that means the video will end there. Let's try it. First try. Never mind, it doesn't count. Yeah, that counts. It counts. Yeah, that counts. Counts too. 2 times in a row, baby. Let's go. 3 times. Woo! Actually, 4 times. Am I really gonna get 5 times in a row? Once. Twice. Try 2 times. What the f is this, bro? Once. Twice. 3 times. Yo, 4 times actually. Am I? Yo. I'm doing it. Yo, 7 times or 8 times maybe? Okay. So guys, yeah, as you saw it, that was, how long did it take? It took me 30 minutes to like almost get a hold of it. Yeah, I'm not that good yet, but I did it 5 times. Obviously, you can't like expect to be absolutely excellent at a thing that you just started to learn. It takes time, it takes practice and stuff. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys in the next video. Then goodbye. If you got any recommendations for Zoida, you can leave them on the comment too. Thanks.